Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. I'm so glad to be joining with you guys another brand new video. As you can see, I'm all dressed up and this is not the regular me at all. It's all about the jewelry haul, you guys. I got some amazing jewelry online for the first time. All the black metal and the oxidized metal jewelry, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. I got them at a good deal. Without further ado, let's get started. During school time and college time, every single day I used to wear a different earring, like matching my outfit and all of it, getting black metal and all those colorful things. And I don't know if you guys know it or not, while I was 17 years old, I was a video jockey in a TV channel, a local TV channel. So that was the time, I used to wear all the matching stuff like matching bag, matching slippers, matching earrings and all sorts of things. I've been doing that for multiple years, and over then I really got bored, and I just now I don't know if I'm old or what, but I just stick on with a plain basic one. And this is my regular style, you guys. Like a gold bracelet, a diamond ring, a gold chain, and the diamond earring. These stay on with me all the time. I don't remove them at all. But it's been ages, so I thought I'd give myself a try, and I came across some amazing jewelry, you guys. So I've got a bunch of them from Amazon, and they're at great deals. So all of the jewelry came in a very well packaged bubble wrap and a beautiful cardboard box. The first one I got, this is a very beautiful oxidized metal. I don't know, it's white. I think it's a black metal. It's very beautiful chain. It has this Ganesh statue kind of thing. It has this jingly details, dangly details on it, and it looks really great, you guys. So this is my regular style, and this is something that I just thought I'd just give it a try to see how they look. And yeah, they also came with the earring. The earrings are pretty simple. It's just a normal dangling type thing. Now the metal is really good quality, and it doesn't feel like a cheap thing at all. And it also has this hook to open, but I don't actually have to open. Yeah, I pretty much wear it just like that. I'm super lazy to even actually remove my earring and wear it, but instead of just wearing it like that, oh my god, instantly I look kind of really different. Okay, this thing really looks different. Okay, so this is exactly how it looks, you guys. It's really beautiful. I mean, I just love the way it looks on this dress. This is exactly how it looks, you guys. I really love this. It's one of my favorite. I think I really like this a lot, and I think I'm gonna keep this. I don't know, I really like it. It's so gorgeous and so beautiful. It instantly amps up the outfit really well, and it looked great. And the jimkis, I don't know if it's a jumka or jimki, I don't know, whatever you say. The earrings are not all that heavy or something, pulling you down, and I really like that part. It's very light, and it doesn't feel like too much of thing going on. It's very subtle. The neck piece is given all the attention, and the earrings are very simple and lightweight, and I really like that. I don't like anything that's weighing my ears down, so I really like them. They look really gorgeous. So this got to be one of my favorite pieces. It's the first piece I looked into it, and I was impressed, and I got all of it. Now this one I just paid 199 rupees, you guys. I paid 199 for both this chain as well as earring. I really love it. I mean, it's really gorgeous, so you must definitely check this out. This is a very good quality. I mean, for 199, this is the best you can actually give it a buy. The next stuff that I picked up is again came in a very beautiful box like this, and it says thanks for buying me. Please keep this inside the box after you so that I shine the way I am now. And I really like that part about it. Now this is exactly how this one looks. Again, it has a very beautiful earring as well as of this beautiful chain. Now this earring cannot be just put in like that, because it has this beautiful, I think it's Lakshmi there, and I really love it. Lakshmi looks really gorgeous. It's a very beautiful Lakshmi thing there. I don't know if the camera is even focusing it, but it's a very beautiful Lakshmi one, and it looks gorgeous. Okay, 3 Lakshmis on here and 1 big Lakshmi there, and again 3 Lakshmis on here and 1 big Lakshmi there. I mean, they look really gorgeous. It's a very beautiful earring. I just like it a lot. And the next part is it has this piece as a chain. Now this is the first time I'm actually trying something choker in terms of black metal. I've never tried choker ones before, you guys, so I think I have to remove my earrings for this. So let me just quickly remove and I'll come back. I really like it. I mean, it's so beautiful. I just like it. It has goddess Lakshmi on the top, and also the bottom has Lakshmi, and it looks really gorgeous. I think, I mean, I'm gonna skip this because this is not suiting the current dress that I'm wearing, but the earring is really gorgeous. The earring is really gorgeous, and this is also really good, you guys, but it's probably not suiting the current outfit that I'm wearing, but it looks really gorgeous, and it's quite heavy also. I can really feel it on my neck, but the earring is so gorgeous, it's so beautiful, and I just really like it. I'm more leaning towards the longer version of the chain than the ones that is closer to my neck. I think I like that model much better than this one, but it's a really good one. The quality is really good. It's about like 324 rupees, but you can feel it's being like really heavy, and the quality is really great. Exactly how the model looks, and it looks really gorgeous, and this is for 324 rupees. I think it's a really good buy. Next thing that I got is this beautiful bangles, you guys. Age is like more than 4-5 years since I actually wore a proper bangle, and I think it's really gorgeous, and it is little big. The first one is a little big, the bigger ones are actually big, but the smaller ones are actually fitting my size, and this is exactly how it looks. It's a very beautiful bangle, and it has all this detailing on it. It looks really gorgeous. I mean, you can wear this like one for one hand and the other for other, and that's my bracelet, you guys. It's very gorgeous. Again, it's really heavy. It's not something very lightweight, so but still it looks really gorgeous. For black metal, I think it really looks nice. It was about for 299 rupees I got them. Everything was on sale, and that's how I picked it up, and everything had a free delivery. None of it had shipping charges to be or added added with it, so it was all 290 rupees. Just like that, it came without any delivery charges, and everything came in a very beautiful cardboard fitted box with a beautiful wrapper around it, a bubble wrap so that it doesn't tarnish or something. So I really like that part about it. I picked up, you guys, is this beautiful earring that I'm wearing on my ears, and it comes with multiple color options as well. So this is how it looks. The chain looks like this. It's a very beautiful intricate design on it. It looks really gorgeous, and again a lot of dangling things on the bottom. Choker seems too much on my neck. I just prefer to wear it a little lower, and I really like it that way. This one comes in various colors like red, blue, green, and all of the colors to match the outfit. So this is exactly how it looks. I mean, I really like it. I mean, I like to wear it down like that, so I actually like it to wear it down. I think this one looks really better, literally holding my neck, something really heavy. I don't like it. This is again something a really cute piece. I mean, I really like it. It's supposed to be worn like a choker one close to the neck, but I prefer it to wear it like that, so just gives a good look on my outfit also. Now this again a very beautiful one, you guys. This is about like 329 rupees, I guess. So all of this were like really affordable, not really too expensive. This one is about like 320 rupees. You get a earring, 2 earrings along with this beautiful choker necklace, which can be worn like a choker or like a longer one like this. So this is something that I totally love. Now apart from these, I got another one as well, which is a lotus shaped chain and a lotus shaped earring. This is the picture of it. This is exactly how it looks. It's again a very beautiful lotus shaped choker chain and with a beautiful earring as well. It really looked so good in the picture, but it's taking a lot of time to arrive because all of these are coming from Haryana and somewhere very far away from my place. It's taking a lot of time to get delivered. So yeah, that's about it. But before, I thought instead of waiting on it, I would just show you guys all of this. So in case if you're interested, you can actually go buy them right away as the sale is still on, so you don't have to miss the deals. This looks really nice for Diwali and all of it. It looks really nice. I mean, I totally like it. For somebody who prefers to be wearing it very dainty piece and all that, this is really these are all the beautiful jewelry that I got online during Great Indian Sale, you guys. So I'm gonna link them all below. You can just check them out. My favorite overall would be the bangle. I really loved it, and the longer chain, the first longer chain, I really liked it, and the second one, the earring part of it, I really like. And in this one, I really like the chain to be worn a little bit down without actually going to any street shopping, just getting them at the doorstep. I really like it. And the thing is, they also have return policies also, you guys. The quality seems really great. Nothing is dropping or falling off or anything, and the chain, everything seems intact, including the hook for closing it. Everything is very, very decent. It's a very sturdy quality. It's not cheap at all anywhere, and the minute you lift it only, you get to know that it's really heavy and it's totally worth the price. And yeah, these are all the beautiful jewelry I got, you guys. Let me know which one you like the most and which one you would like to try. Follow me on my Instagram if you want to talk with me on a personal level, and I'll catch you guys very shortly with a brand new video. Meanwhile, watch my other videos out there, and do not miss all the sale deals out there, the clothing deals, the jewelry deals, the fashion deals, and all of it I've mentioned in my previous videos down below. So watch all those videos to get the best out of this sale time, and I'll be catching you guys very shortly with another amazing sale video. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye bye.